How to leave a review on Etsy. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on Etsy. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to leave a review on Etsy, just go to the Etsy.com website and then you will see this type of interface where you basically have to just click on your account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And then you will find the option called purchases and reviews. Just click on that option, and when you click on purchases and reviews, over here you'll be able to see a couple of other details, and if you purchase any of the products, you'll find the review button next to it, and then you'll be able to review that specific product. But keep in mind that for this, you must have already purchased that type of product, and once you've done so, this is basically it on how you can leave a review on Etsy. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.